Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get better at Stepmania. To begin, focus on the fundamentals. Start by playing songs with a difficulty rating of 1 to 3 to build a solid foundation in rhythm and timing. Practice reading the arrows as they come up, which will significantly improve your visual processing speed. Always maintain good posture and comfortable hand positioning. This prevents fatigue and enhances your overall accuracy during gameplay. Next, let's talk about effective practice. Utilize the game's practice mode or a metronome to pinpoint and improve your timing. When you encounter challenging sections, slow down the song to about 75% of its original speed, mastering each part before increasing tempo. Make sure to incorporate a diverse range of song styles and difficulties into your practice routine to develop well-rounded skills and adaptability. Now, for some advanced tips to elevate your gameplay. Focus on efficiently reading complex patterns like jumps and hands, which involve pressing multiple arrows simultaneously. Experiment with various scroll speeds. Many advanced players prefer a speed of around 400 to 600 for optimal visibility. For a truly immersive experience, consider investing in a quality dance pad, which can significantly enhance your physical engagement. Finally, cultivating the right mindset is crucial for continuous improvement. Consistency is paramount. Aim for at least 3 20-minute practice sessions each week. Celebrate every small victory, like achieving a new high score or mastering a difficult section, to keep your motivation high and the experience enjoyable. Remember to stay hydrated and take short breaks every 15 to 20 minutes to prevent fatigue and maintain focus.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.